Assalamu alaikum. JTK. Keseho. It's your guy Faithful bring it to you right from the United Arab Emirates. At the moment, I and my Alabab, we are heading up from Ajman to Abu Dhabi. We are on our way on the highway heading up to Ajman to Abu Dhabi. Just take a look of how the journey looks like. It's going to take us how many hours? Alabab, it will take us how many hours from here to Abu Dhabi?
1 hour and 30 minutes.
1 hour 30 minutes from Ajman to Abu Dhabi.
Yes.
We are on the highway, Mohammed bin Zayed Al Nahyan Squared Highway, heading up to Abu Dhabi, and very soon, after 1 hour 30 minutes, we will arrive at Abu Dhabi.
Yes.
Guys, just take a look of how the road looks like. See how the road looks like. The highway from Ajman to the capital of United Arab Emirates, Abu Dhabi. In fact, the road is very big. Double road, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lane, 5 lane heading to Abu Dhabi, 5 lane heading backwards from Abu Dhabi to Ajman. As you can see from the video, the view is bringing to you by Faithful. Guys, just subscribe to my channel and click on the bell button if you want to receive more videos. Oh my god, it's very nice. The highway is well decorated, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The lane, oh, the road is very big, very nice.